last night I was pretty excited. The rest of the carbon fiber fabric came to make the roof mold. So now I'll be able to make the roof mold today. But one thing I have to do is fix some voids. So as you can see, expansion and contraction has pulled the roof away from the plasticine, or shrunk the plasticine. Not exactly sure which happened, but I need to fix all these voids. Also, I've had a piece of plastic up here just to, make sure there wasn't any overspray or dust or anything getting on it. But I'm going to also clean it off, recoat it with mold release. Then I just checked. It doesn't look like the glue that's holding the roof down on the corner, on the edges, popped up, so we're good there. Once I do all that, I'm going to coat it in tooling, high temp tooling gel coat, and then I'm going to coat it in one layer of 3K carbon fiber with the laminate resin. So I have to do an additional 9 layers after that, but since this is a sheet metal roof and I'm worried about it distorting with the weight of all the 12K on it, I'm going to let that set up overnight so it dries and cures, and then we don't have any issues with it being too heavy, it pushing down on the roof, and then when I make the mold and make the carbon fiber piece, it's out of shape. So let's get to work on this. I'm gonna fix all these voids, clean up the roof, pull that plastic off, pull the drape all the rest of this plastic over so I don't get any of that gel coat or anything on the side of the car. able to get the roof very, very close, but I ended up running out of laminating resin. Well, I didn't technically run out of laminating resin. I still have half a gallon left, but I still have another 7 layers to go of carbon fiber to finish up the mold. So I ordered 3 gallons, 1 gallon came. I thought 2 gallons came, but it was another gallon of the gel coat, the high temp gel coat. So I have to wait for that stuff. I'm not sure where it's at. I thought it would have been here already. It's been, I think, 5 days now. I also ordered more of it, but I still haven't received an email that that's shipped out. So I'm not sure if the company's on like a vacation or what's going on. So hopefully I get that stuff soon, but in the meantime, in the next couple days, I'll start body working the rest of the sides and everything, because I want to get that thing painted as soon as possible, and probably get the fenders, the rest of the flares, the last side skirt all painted and then stuck in the basement, just so all of that stuff is done. Also, the front doors will be ready. So I'm going to end the video here. I did make a lot of progress. I wish I was able to finish up that mold, but unfortunately, I don't have the rest of the materials. Well, I have all the carbon, I just don't have the rest of the laminating resin. So if you like these videos, make sure to click the subscribe button, throw a thumbs up, throw a comment below. As always, see you guys next time.